Hi, good evening ladies and gentlemen. We're joined here now today by the director of the new movie In the Restaurant, The Heat of the Kitchen, and his name is Dean. And Dean is going to talk to us today about how he's going to approach this movie. So Dean, welcome to the show first of all. Now, how are you going to approach this movie? Like, do you have a particular tactic in mind or strategy in mind, or...
I was thinking of making a few practice scenes, just to get it right so the good one. I mean, I don't want any rubbish in this film, really.
You don't want any rubbish, okay. And is the finished product, is it going to include deleted scenes?
Now, what did... Yes.
Yeah, okay. No.
It's going to be on special edition. That goes on is all the interviews, all the deleted scenes are going to go into the second disc.
Yeah, okay.
It's a 2-disc edition.
Okay, and how many people are in this movie?
It's a rich man's world. It's a rich man's world.
1, 2, 5, 7. 2 people only in the movie. Okay, and you're here in beautiful Spain, okay, on location.
Money, money, money. Must be money in the rich man's world.
You're a very lucky man to be able to come here and have such wealthy resources behind you for your movie. How does it feel to have that kind of backing? You were flown in on a private jet. You have your own penthouse apartment.
All the things I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. It's a rich man's world.
Is this documentary ever going to make its way onto television screens, onto the small screen?
Whatever the public likes, they'll have.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time, my friend, and hopefully we wish you all the success with your new project, and I'm sure we're all looking forward to it. Thank you very much.
Oh, I'll see ya.
It's a rich man's world.